Hello everyone, welcome back to our next card in the Mudra Card Deck, the Hansi Mudra, which is the gesture of the inner smile with a core quality of unfolding positive qualities. Hansi refers to smiling or laughter, and the mudra directs breath, awareness, and energy into the upper chest, neck, and head, cultivating that experience of joy and lightness. So honestly, the first time I saw this mudra and started practicing these, this really reminded me of how my grandma would insist when I was younger of how we were supposed to hold our cups, especially like teacups or coffee cups, anything that had that handle in it. It was those polite Southern manners where we had to have that little pinky finger pointing out whenever we held anything like that. I still don't understand why that was necessary, but here we are. It is, in fact, a mudra. And so you're going to do this mudra by touching the tips of your index, middle, and ring finger to the tips of the thumb on your same hand, and extend that little pinky finger straight out. Once you have your fingertips in the correct position, you can rest your hands in one of two ways, either with placing the backs of your hands on your thighs or your knees, with your fingertips pointing up and the pinky pointing out away from your body. Alternatively, you can also hold your hands out from the sides of your body with the little fingers pointing upward. Okay? Once you choose which position feels most comfortable for you, as always, relax your shoulders back and down with your spine naturally aligned. And once you are comfortable with your mudra and in a seated position that feels good to you, we will go ahead and start our practice for the day. As you hold Hansi Mudra, take several natural breaths to attune to all the feelings and sensations awakened by this gesture. Notice how your breath is gently directed into your upper chest, neck, and head, naturally instilling a sense of joy and happiness. As joy and happiness permeate your being, a soft smile spreads across your face naturally. Take several breaths to allow the smile to gradually infuse your entire being, from the crown of your head all the way down to your feet. As you sense your entire being smiling radiantly, all of your essential positive qualities are awakened naturally. Begin by awakening the quality of joyfulness, taking several breaths to sense uplifting energy spreading through your being, a feeling that every moment of life is worth living fully and completely. As joyfulness permeates your being, you naturally awaken the quality of appreciation of beauty, experiencing awe and wonder in everything you see, especially the small details of daily life. Living joyfully and with appreciation of beauty, you naturally awaken the quality of communion, a sense of oneness with all beings that allows you to live with inner and outer harmony. As you integrate joy, appreciation, and communion, you naturally awaken your inherent wholeness, and knowing that you are absolutely complete and nothing can be added or subtracted from your essential being. Align now with your inherent wholeness you turn inward, naturally to rest in the silence of your true being, awakening the wisdom that guides you at each step of your journey through life. Within this space of sacred silence, you naturally experience your essential bliss, taking several breaths to bathe in your inherent radiance. Affirm your essential qualities, repeating the following 3 times, aloud or silently to yourself. My inner smile radiates throughout my being, awakening all of my essential positive qualities. My inner smile radiates throughout my being, awakening all of my essential positive qualities. My inner smile radiates throughout my being, awakening all of my essential positive qualities. Take a moment now and allow these words to resonate within you. Continue to breathe, experiencing the awakened joy, appreciation, communion, and wholeness. When you are ready, slowly release the gesture, taking several breaths to rest in your blissful essence. Open your eyes, returning slowly and gently, more deeply aligned with your bliss body. Thank you for joining me again today. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care.